Imagine if your financial reports could talk back to you, not just showing numbers, but explaining what they mean. Welcome to the world of the Report Intelligence Agent, powered by a ChatGPT backend. This is not just another finance dashboard. It's an AI partner that interprets KPIs, calculates ratios, detects red flags, and delivers insights with clarity that CFOs, controllers, and business leaders crave. Today, I'll take you through a real case story using 10 powerful prompts to show how this agent transforms raw data into financial intelligence. Let's dive in. Let's step into a case where a finance team is under pressure to deliver fast, accurate insights. Instead of waiting weeks for traditional reports, the CFO turns to the Report Intelligence Agent. Each prompt brings graphs, tables, and analysis instantly, making complex reporting not only faster but far more strategic. Let's see how the story unfolds. The quarter just closed, and leadership wants to know how performance stacks up. With one command, the agent calculates core KPIs from the P&L, revenue growth, gross margin, operating margin, and net income ratios. A graph illustrates the trends, a table organizes the results, and the analysis highlights the strongest and weakest drivers of profitability. Instantly, Q1 performance becomes clear and actionable. Now attention shifts to the balance sheet. The agent runs a full ratio analysis, liquidity, leverage, and solvency metrics. The graph compares ratios over time, while the table lays them out side by side for review. The analysis explains what they mean in plain terms, whether the company has the strength to meet obligations, or if it's leaning too heavily on debt. Clarity that once required days of work now arrives in seconds. Midway through the quarter, gross margin slips below target. The agent instantly triggers an alert. A graph shows the downward movement, the table marks the exact levels, and the analysis identifies possible causes such as rising costs or pricing pressure. Instead of waiting until month-end reports, the CFO sees the issue in real time and mobilizes corrective action. The business runs multiple units, each contributing differently to the bottom line. The agent compares profitability ratios across them. A graph ranks their performance visually, while the table provides precise ratios. The analysis points out the underperformers and highlights where efficiency or pricing strategies are paying off. Leaders can reallocate focus quickly, targeting improvement where it's needed most. This month, the focus turns to efficiency. With one prompt, the agent reviews asset turnover, inventory cycles, and receivables management. The graph makes the patterns easy to see, the table organizes the measures, and the analysis interprets whether the business is maximizing its resources or leaving value on the table. Leaders now see not just revenue, but how effectively it's being generated. As June closes, executives want the big picture. The agent builds a complete KPI dashboard in one step. The graph shows performance trends, the table consolidates all key measures, and the analysis provides a narrative summary, connecting the dots for leadership. Instead of static reports, they get a living, AI-powered snapshot that updates as new data flows in. Investors want to know, is performance driven by true asset efficiency or just leverage? The agent evaluates the trend of ROA against ROE. A graph displays the divergence, a table records the ratios across time, and the analysis explains whether returns are coming from effective asset use or financial structuring. This level of clarity keeps decision-making grounded in reality. A sudden signal emerges. Net margin falls below a critical threshold. The agent doesn't bury it in spreadsheets, it flags it immediately. The graph highlights the decline, the table shows when it crossed the line, and the analysis warns of the implications. Leaders are alerted to act before profitability erodes further. The board requests a comparison with peers. The agent benchmarks liquidity ratios against industry averages. A graph contrasts company results with benchmarks, the table aligns them neatly, and the analysis explains whether cash and short-term resources are competitive. Executives gain context, not just numbers, for making stronger financial decisions. Finally, it's time for investor review. The agent generates a polished KPI pack ready for presentation. Graphs display performance trends, tables provide the supporting detail, and the analysis transforms the data into a story investors can trust. Instead of weeks of preparation, leadership enters the meeting with insights that are timely, sharp, and persuasive. As we've seen, the Report Intelligence Agent transforms financial reporting. Instead of endless spreadsheets and manual calculations, you get instant clarity, KPIs, ratios, and red flags explained in plain language. The benefit is simple: faster insights, sharper decisions, and stronger confidence in your numbers. But KPI and ratio analysis is only one feature. With your 30-day free trial, you'll unlock a powerful suite of finance AI capabilities, including core financial reports, automated P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow, data input with Excel validation, no more broken uploads or missing values, report structure validation, schema checks and alerts on gaps, variance commentary, auto-flagging large deviations so you don't miss signals, forecast integration, next quarter projections powered by linear growth, internal controls and SOX compliance, basic checks mapped to 302 of 404. Audit-ready logs and compliance dashboards, ensuring transparency for reviews. Segment reporting, break results down by BU or department with ease. Red flag detection and notes/commentary, proactive alerts and contextual notes. Report output in Excel and PDF, ready for executives, boards, and auditors. This isn't just reporting, it's finance intelligence on demand. Click the link in the description to start your 30-day free trial of the 33 Finance AI agents today. And don't forget to subscribe for more real case studies, demos, and strategies to master finance with AI. Stop managing numbers the old way. Start mastering them with AI.